इधर चेक करें, ये लॉयर भी हैं, ये बैरिस्टर उमेर खान नियाजी.
He is an advocate, sir. He's an advocate of High Court, yes.
Yes, you know him?
Yes.
Which is he alone firm with some firm or what?
My lord, he had previously served as a law officer, as an additional advocate general in Punjab, but he was associated with Tehreek-e-Insaf. He was president of, as it is written in the memo of the petition also, he served as the president of the lawyers wing of that party.
He's not a young man then.
He's about as old as I am, so...
That's young enough.
So a young man.
No, but he's not like in his 20s.
No.
That on his exuberance, he files a petition not realizing what he's doing.
Of that party.
He's not a young man then.
He's about as old as I am, so...
That's young enough.
So a young man.
No, but he's not like in his 20s.
No.
That on his exuberance, he files a petition not realizing what he's doing.
My Lord, 51(1) provides for consultation with the Chief Justice for appointment of the judicial officers.
51(1).
51(1). The Commission shall, in the prescribed manner, appoint from amongst its own officers or officers of any government or corporations, autonomous or semi-autonomous bodies controlled by any government, or from the subordinate judiciary in consultation with the Chief Justice of the concerned High Court, a returning officer for each constituency. This is the provision which has been.
अगर 51(1) को कोई कोर्ट अल्ट्रा वायरस डिक्लेयर कर दे तो क्या कभी इलेक्शन हो सकता है?
नहीं. Then we have no other power.
50 को छोड़ देते हैं. 51(1) को अगर मुकम्मल अल्ट्रा वायरस कर दें तो ये इलेक्शन कभी भी नहीं हो सकता.
कभी भी नहीं हो सकता.
फिर डीरेलिंग करना कहना, आप ये कहें कि इलेक्शन ही नहीं कराना चाहते.
इलेक्शन नहीं करवाना चाहते.
तो ये तो इन्हें पिटीशन ग्रांट कर दी, रहा क्या गया फिर इसमें?
This is the main relief granted at the interim stage, which is also unconstitutional, unlawful.
अच्छा, आपके पास कोई दरखास्त नहीं दी?
No, my lord, no, my lord. There was nothing of this sort ever agitated anywhere in the whole.
देखिए, हो सकता है कहीं गलत हो गया हो, किसी का भाई वगैरह को अपॉइंट कर दिया है आरओ, चले, हो सकता है.
इंडिविजुअल का अगर किसी एक की करे
वो कहेगा जी आप ये बंदा गुनाहगार है, दूसरे को लगा दो, हम लगा देंगे.
1,500 बंदा ही बायस्ड है इनके अगेंस्ट, और इनके अगेंस्ट नहीं, जस्ट अगेंस्ट वन इंडिविजुअल. Probably he might be contesting from one constituency. आप उसके हद तक करें अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम है. Come to us, we will look into it.
वो ये भी नहीं बता रहे कि उस ऑफिसर में
के ऑर्डर्स किए हैं डिप्टी कमिश्नर्स ने, तो इसलिए जो हमारे अगेंस्ट पार्टीजन है. दिस इज द एलिगेशन.
ये बताएं कि आरओ और उनके खिलाफ कोई किसी को कोई बायसनेस हो तो आपके पास उनका आने का कोई है लॉ?
जी,
कौन सा लॉ है? कौन सी सेक्शन है कि उनको आपके पास आना चाहिए कि ना कि डायरेक्ट में जाना चाहिए? अगर रेमेडी आपके पास थी तो वहाँ आए नहीं आए? आपके पास नहीं है?
They've never approached us.
वो है कोई प्रोविजन बताइए?
It's 50. Not 55. It's 55 का 3 है. Election Act का 55 का 3 जी. The Commission 55(3). Section 55, subsection 3. The Commission may at any time for reason